Padwa Shital. Today we are discuss about abstraction and the interface in Java. First we can discuss about the abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and it's showing only the functionality of the users. It show the only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, we can send a SMS that you can only type the address and it send the message. It in that example you won't know about the internal processing. There are two types achieving the abstraction in the two types. First one is a abstraction class and next one is a interface. First we can discuss about the abstraction class. Abstraction class which is declared as a abstract keyword. The abstraction it can have the static or non-static methods, and it can needs to extended by its the methods can be implementation, and also it cannot be instantiated. There are some rules that we can define the abstraction class. First one is a abstraction. It must be declared as a abstract keywords. It must have it contain abstract methods and non-abstract methods. It cannot be instantiated, and it can also contain a final methods that cannot be implement it the user cannot be forced to the implementation of that methods. Next one is a abstract methods. An abstract methods which is a declare as a abstract. It does not have it does not have any implementation of body. It known as abstract methods. Next one is we can discuss about the interface. Interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has a static constant and abstract methods. It contains abstract methods. Interface in Java is a mechanism to achieving abstraction. There only the abstraction methods in a Java in the interface. It is used to achieve abstractions and multiple interface in Java. Interface can have abstract methods as well as variables. It cannot be have a abstraction methods that cannot be have a method body. The Java interface represent is a relationship. There Next one is a declaration of Java interface. Java declaration is a we can declare a interface by using a interface keywords. It provides the total abstraction, means all the methods that cannot be implemented by the interface. The interface, there are the fields, and fields are the public, private and the protected by default. Thank you guys.